Right now, somewhere in the darkness of space, an invisible monster is moving straight toward our solar system. It has no light, no warning, no mercy. A rogue black hole. And when it arrives, our entire solar system will be completely destroyed, planet by planet, week by week.
Unlike the supermassive black hole in the center of our galaxy, this one is smaller, but no less deadly. A stellar black hole, 5 to 15 times the mass of our sun. It's traveling at hundreds of kilometers per second, and astronomers estimate there could be millions of such rogue black holes in our galaxy alone. The terrifying part? We would have almost no warning until it's already inside our solar system. The first planet to die would be Mercury. As the black hole approaches, its immense gravity begins to stretch the planet. Mountains crack, the surface melts. In just a few hours, Mercury is torn apart into a stream of molten rock and metal. Next is Venus. Its thick atmosphere is stripped away in minutes, like someone ripping the skin off a fruit. The planet itself begins to elongate, stretching into a long, thin shape until it finally rips apart. Then it reaches Earth. At first, the changes are subtle. The moon starts to deform. Within days, it breaks into millions of pieces, forming a temporary ring around our planet. But then, the real horror begins. The oceans, they don't just rise, they rise into walls of water kilometers high. Tsunamis sweep across entire continents. The ground beneath your feet begins to stretch. Skyscrapers lean, bridges snap, the crust itself starts cracking open. People would stand outside, looking up at a sky that's bending and warping like melted glass. You wouldn't die by falling into the black hole, you would die watching your own planet being torn apart while you're still standing on it. After Earth, Mars falls quickly. Then come the gas giants. Even Jupiter, the king of planets, gets stretched and shredded. Its famous Great Red Spot disappears as the entire planet is pulled apart. Finally, our sun. The black hole's gravity is so powerful that the sun may be either swallowed whole or violently thrown out of the solar system, leaving everything in eternal darkness. In the end, what was once our beautiful solar system becomes nothing but a graveyard of debris, silently orbiting the black hole as it continues its journey through the galaxy. Every planet, every moon, every memory, gone. And the worst part? We would never see it coming until the very last days. Fortunately, the chance of a rogue black hole entering our solar system in the next 1,000 years is incredibly small. But they do exist, and one day, one of them might find us. Until then, we can only watch the stars and hope they stay exactly where they are. Thanks for watching my video on the Cosmo Dream channel.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.